In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image in Framer. Now, this is actually super simple. You want to open up your website first, and then you want to go to the Insert tab up top left, and then from here, you want to go to the bottom here where it says Media under Elements, and then you simply want to click on Image over here, and then drag it and drop it wherever you want to have it. So I want to have it over here below the Shop Now button. I'm going to release this, and then this is kind of the object, basically the container where you can then put your image. So we can, of course, resize it according to your own preference. I'm going to do it like this over here. Let's say this size is fine. You can then go ahead and double click on it. And as you can see here, you can just choose your image. So by clicking choose image, it's going to open up your images. You can click on whichever one you want. I'm just going to go ahead and select one of my stock images I have over here. For example, this one, and I'm going to click on open. And what this is going to do here, it's going to upload your image directly in here. And as you can see, if I now go to the preview up here, you'll now be able to see the image in here whenever this loads. There we go. So that's how to add an image. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.